Hi, my name is Beth. I'm the founder of St. Jack Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you how to use Bang for Your Brush, our instant makeup brush cleaner. This is our best-selling Bang for Your Brush formula inside a super convenient, ultra-fine mist spray bottle. So to clean your brushes, all you're going to need is Bang for Your Brush and this super handy microfiber towel. So a pro tip from me, I like to hold the brush in front of the towel so that when I'm spraying the product, the towel is going to pick up any excess. Just a couple sprays is all you need. Then we're going to swirl where we were spraying, and you can see that the pigment is immediately coming off this eyeshadow brush. All you need to do is move the brush in circular motions gently back and forth, not too rough, and you will see the pigment transfer off the brush immediately. If you move the brush into clean sections of the towel, you'll be able to see when nothing's coming off the brush, it's pretty much already clean. Now I'm going to give the bristles a little touch to see how they're feeling. If they feel wet, it means that you need to continue the circular motions on the towel. However, if they feel dry, like this one does, it means that your brush is ready to use again right now. So as you can see, it only took me a few seconds to clean this eyeshadow brush, so now there are no excuses not to clean your brushes at least once a week. Or if you're a professional, every single time, but you already know that. Unlock the best skin and makeup of your life, all by cleaning your makeup brushes with St. Jack. Right? Fine? It's giving QVC.